Hello there, and welcome. I am so happy you're here with me today. We're about to learn some really cool and useful English words. We call them action words. These are the words we use for all the stuff we do during a busy, fun day. Okay, you ready? Let's jump right in.
So, all of you action heroes out there, are you ready? We're about to go on a little story adventure and learn all the action words. This is going to be so much fun.
That's right, we're a team on this adventure. We're going to walk through a whole day, from the morning all the way to the night, and we'll pick up new English words as we go. Learning together is just way more fun.
Okay, first things first, the morning. You can just picture it, right? The sun's coming up, the birds are chirping, and our whole day is just getting started. So let's see what actions we do first thing.
And here it is, our very first action word. Let's try saying it slow, and then we'll say it fast. Ready? Wake up. Now, a little faster. Wake up. You got it. That's the very first thing we do. Now, let's take our new word and pop it into a whole sentence. Look at this picture. See? The sun is up and she's doing a big stretch. She can say, I wake up early. How about you say it with me? Just this part. I wake up. Great job.
Okay, so after we wake up, our tummies start to rumble. Our next word is eat. Let's do that slow, fast practice again. Ready? Eat. Now fast. Eat. Perfect.
And look, here's our word in action. You see the girl with her spoon and her bowl? She is eating. The whole sentence is, I eat my breakfast. This is what we do to get all our energy for the day.
With breakfast, we usually have something to drink. So that's our next word. Drink. Let's give it a try. Ready? Drink. And now a little faster. Drink. Yes, you've got it. All right, breakfast is finished. We're full of energy. So now it's time to head to school. School is a super busy place, right? And that means there are lots and lots of new actions to learn. Let's find out what they are.
Wow, look at all these great action words. Let's say them together one by one. I'll say it, then you say it right after me. Ready? Listen. Good. Read. Awesome. Study. You got it. Talk. Walk. And write. Fantastic. These are all things we do to learn and have fun with our friends at school. Let's zoom in on one of those words for a second. Read. Look at this little bee with the glasses reading a book. How cute is that? So, at school, we can say, I read and learn at school. Reading helps our brains get super strong.
Oh, this is a very important action at school. Sometimes the teacher will say, sit down. And what do? That's right, you sit. The action word is sit. It just means you put your body on a chair. So when our teacher asks us to do something, we listen and we do the action.
Ding, ding, ding! School is over and we're back home. But hey, the day's not over yet. There are still more actions we do at home, to help our family and to get ready for bed.
So here they are, our home actions. Let's practice these, okay? I'm going to say each one nice and clear, and you can repeat right after me. Help. Clean. Watch. And sleep. Excellent work.
And would you look at this? This is such a great example. This girl is using a vacuum. She's actually doing two actions at once. She can help her mom, and she can clean her room. It feels so good to help our families, doesn't it?
Okay, action heroes. You have learned so many new words today. Seriously, great job. So now let's practice actually using them. It's time to talk. This is how we make these words a real part of our English.
Okay, I want you to imagine I'm asking you this question. I'm looking right at you and I'm asking, what do you do at school? How would you answer that? Well, let's see what a great answer looks like.
You could give this amazing answer. Look at that. You're using 3 of our brand new words. Let's say it together nice and strong. Ready? I listen, read, and study. That is just a perfect answer. You are a great English speaker.
And now, for the best part. It is time for a challenge. This is your chance to be a real, true action hero and use what you've learned in a super fun way. So, are you ready for it? Here is your mission, should you choose to accept it. First, you gotta go find a mirror somewhere in your house. Second, pick your favorite action word from today. Maybe it's eat, or read, or even walk.
And third, look at yourself in the mirror. Say the sentence out loud, like, I eat. And then you do the action. Go ahead, be silly and have a lot of fun with it.
You did it! You learned so many words, you practiced speaking them, and you completed the challenge. You are officially an action hero. Now keep practicing these words every day. And hey, think about what other action words you can learn next. You did such great work today.